Today we're working in the key of E major, and instead of just showing you a chord progression, we're going to show a few chord progressions that can develop into a song. We'll do a verse, a pre-chorus, and a chorus. Let's start with the verse chord progression in E major. Here's the 4 chord. The 1 chord, E major. The 5 chord, B major. The 6 chord, C sharp minor. Next is the pre-chorus. Remember, we're still in E major. The 2 chord, F sharp minor. The 4 chord, A major. The 1 chord, E major. B major. And now the chorus, which is in E major. The 1 chord, E major. Here's the 5 chord, B major, which is also the bar chord. The 6 chord, C sharp minor, the other bar chord. Here's the 4 chord. Let's put it all together in E major. The verse, pre-chorus, and then the chorus. Start with 1 strum per chord if you need it. Once you're comfortable, try adding rhythm. Don't worry if your fingers get tired. That's just your hand getting stronger.